2, 1.
This is the Angels Patrol, bringing you the latest news. Glee Club leads the opening ceremony of the field demonstration. The opening ceremony of the field demonstration of SMAP was led by the school's pride, the SMAP Glee Club, last February 10, 2011 at the SMAP Quadrangle. The Glee Club led the ceremony through their doxology and through singing the national anthem. Furthermore, to strengthen the team of the Academy Day fourth-year students to showcase their skills and talents to the field demonstration. The field demonstration is being done for the celebration of the Academy Days. The field demonstration is being celebrated through the student different cultural dances like European, Asian, and ballroom dance. This is to give thanks to the different cultures which studied it all.
The first day of the Academy Days 2011 was celebrated by the full SMAP family in the morning of February 10, 2011. The date is especially safe for the opening ceremony and the first day of the field demonstration of the Academy Days. Marians are performing different dance numbers for their parents as well as their fellow students entertainment. The program started at the highway with a doxology led by the SMAP Club, conducted by their moderator, Mr. Boy de la Nanta. Then, Ms. Marcelita Dumont, the HSRL Panlipunan coordinator, welcomed the guests and performers with her heartwarming opening remarks that marked the beginning of not only the day one of the Academy Days, but also the days-long celebration of the Academy Days itself. The SMAP dance troupe broke the ice with their opening number choreographed by the dance troupe moderator, Mr. Omar Aguilar. Soon after the dance numbers of the different students from the juniors, seniors, sophomore, freshmen, and the grade school followed. This year, the participants performed wearing their gowns and costumes that they sewed and made themselves. The 30 students exhibited the dance steps to the different world dances, where fourth-year Marians showcased their talent in dancing with some of the ballroom dances. The SMAP Quadrangle was filled with applause during and after the performances. The audience rewarded the hard work of the students with their appreciation of their efforts and performances. The success of the Academy Days, Day 1, gives the second day a wonderful place.
Who would have thought that our institution would continue and venture into the world of musical theater? For the second time around, the audition 2 was the continuation of the last year's first musical play. This was made as one of the presentations of the Academy Days. It had thought of getting all the subjects area together and make a one big show. Mr. Rubian Francisco continued the legacy of the first producer, Mr. Flores, who has a very good idea and seems to be attempt to the world of lights, acting, and Broadway. Even after the Academy Days, the students got a care of LSS, or Last Song Syndrome, for the song into the play like You're Gonna Be Popular, or Lord Care For Me Argentina, and many more. This musical play was a great success, not only for the cast, for the whole industry.